So what to do if your Powerball doesn't spin anymore? So here we have some old models. This is neon blue, and this one is just a signature edition. And the thing is, I had to swap the gyroscope. So here we have the signature edition, and this is the gyroscope from neon blue, because this one didn't spin anymore at all. So I've managed to fix it by just swapping the gyroscope. So what's wrong with this gyroscope? So first of all, I've tried to take it apart, apply some oil here and there. So I was thinking it just had dust, and that was the reason. But it seems that the reason was the lights. So it has some small LED lights, and probably one of them was probably touching something that it shouldn't, and that was just making the gyroscope not spin anymore. And this one also works after I've removed all the lights. It had some kinds of wire, and it seems to work just fine. So it works even though it's very noisy for some reason. Maybe after removing the lights, probably that made some changes regarding the weight or something, and it's really noisy. However, it still spins even though it's not perfect, so it's usable. However, if you don't want all of this, you can just get a used Powerball. If your case is in very good condition, like in my case, this was my initial Powerball, which has this case which is just like new. The this rubber, it also looks pretty good compared to the other one, which is yellowish. So I just swapped the whole gyroscope. You can just open the Powerball, take the gyroscope, do the same thing, just split it apart, put the gyroscope from the other Powerball in, put everything back, and try to see if it works. And in my case, it seems to work perfectly fine. This one is not that noisy, so it's just making the normal Powerball sound. So in conclusion, do not try to apply oil. You can obviously just try to clean it from dust if it has a lot of dust, but most likely you need to check if anything is touching the case, or it's just in a bad position. Maybe if you dropped the Powerball. So as I said, in my case, I had to just completely remove the circuit and the part with the lights. And now in the case is just the basic gyroscope, and it still works. Alright, so I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.